So I'm going to be installing a new wig from Klaiyi hair company using the new skin melt method, and this is going to make your wig really invisible. Like, you guys, this particular method is what I've been using recently, and it's really been laying my frontal wigs. And I have here 26 inches of Klaiyi hair Brazilian straight wig. The first thing is to go ahead and customize it, because for me, no matter how well twisted and well, you know, customized a wig comes, I always like to, at least, you know, especially with the frontal, I always like to kind of twist and make sure it's all the way I want it. I'm going to go ahead and use my tweezer and twist this front first. Here we have the wig, you guys. As you all can see, like, this is actually really long. Look at this. Here we have the length, and also the wig is very full, just the way I like it, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it on. The wig doesn't come with any pattern, so I think I'm gonna create a side part with this wig. So I'm just gonna open it right here. I twist the front of myself. As you all can see, it's really twist. I found that the easiest way to know exactly where to cut the excess lace is to place it on your head and then just go ahead and cut. And by doing this, as you all can see, I already placed it on my head, so it makes it so much easier to know exactly how much lace I want to leave in the front. And I'm just gonna cut it a little bit close to the hairline. So as usual, I'm going to use Got to Be Glued free spray, and I'm just going to spray it all on the front perimeters of my wig. Seriously, ever since I discovered using just the free spray, guys, it just saves a lot of time and product. I'm just going to use this and tie it down for maybe a minute or two. This is kind of an easy way to create a part on your wig. I'm going to add some hair mousse, although this one is already like gone, but it's always very important to add some mousse because it will help lay any flyaway hair down. And then I'm simply going to tie this down with a scarf for maybe 2 minutes. Alright. Okay, so this is what we have here, and the final thing, I'm going to go in with a hot comb and just press down the hair. So I'm just going to go in with this concealer palette right here and create a pattern. Yeah, you guys, I didn't know if I should just bring out hair in the front, like create little tiny baby hairs, or just leave it like this. For me, I feel like it looks much natural like this, but yeah, let me just leave it like this, you guys. I don't want to bring out no baby hair. And yeah, you guys, this is exactly how I achieve my skin melt invisible wig installation. And this right here, as you all can see, it's so simple, it's so easy, like it's just something you can do and run out the door. Yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to check my description box for all info regarding Klaiyi hair, because this hair is from Klaiyi hair and I'm absolutely loving it. Yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed, and till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.